tank top works really well, or a comfortable fitting shirt. It does get pretty hot inside that race suit. Some comfortable pants, probably not jeans, but something a little bit more comfy than jeans, and a bit more snug fitting. So maybe some leggings, some shorts, or some light fitting cargo pants. Make sure you've got proper socks on, full socks on, cover those ankles up, and proper shoes. What about your hair? With me, it doesn't matter because mine is ever so short. But for the ladies, a braid, nice and low down. Nothing, no high up ponytails, because you'll have trouble with your helmet. But under the helmet, you'll be wearing a balaclava. You can keep this one. So this is for hygiene purposes. The race suit. We've got quite a few different sizes, so I will get you to possibly try a couple on. But once you're in the car, we give you a neck brace. So this goes around your neck. This doesn't stop your head from moving around too much. Once the helmet is on though, it will restrict how much movement you do have. This is purely in case of a crash that we are protecting you from whiplash. Once you do have your race suit on, then we're going to use this little bit of awesome bondage equipment. So basically what it does is they strap around on your forearms, and then this little chain here then attaches to your seat belt. So when you get out of your seat belt, this will automatically detach. The very last thing that you'll be putting on once you're in the car is your race gloves. So I'll give these to you once you're fully strapped in. And finally, we do have a few different sizes of helmet. On the side, they have a little finger lip. Basically what this does is this stops the helmet from sliding up automatically. You have to actually dig your finger in there to lift it over that little catch. That's what helps you get your helmet open at the end. Getting in and out of the car with the roll cage can be a bit of a trick, especially if you're not used to it, especially if you're a little bit bigger. So the trick is to make it easy on everybody. Up the top is a roll cage. Grab onto that with both hands, step both of your feet into the footwell, and then slide your bum in and your head last. To get out, exactly the same way, just in reverse. So grab the roll cage, slide your head out first, and your shoulders, then your bum, and you can sit on the edge, and then bring your feet out. Nice and easy. Now the seat belt is tricky. Just think of it as a child's booster seat, as the kiddie seat in the back seat of your car. So you'll see the harnesses, how it's all done up. Once you've got your seat belt on, and I'll harness this up for you so you don't have to worry about how it goes together. But the important bit is underneath are these flaps. What you do is you pull them, and that will actually tighten up your straps for you so that it's comfortable but nice and tight for you. When you're finished racing, there's a lever down the bottom, and all you do is you pull that down and everything pops out. During the actual race, what I'd like you to do is, it's hard to know what to do with your hands, so just hang on to your harness. That's the best place for your hands. And finally, while we're racing, there's 2 hand signals. Yep, everything's great. No, everything's not good. Actually, there's one more. You do that, and make sure that you do it right in the middle of the windscreen. So, right out there, so that I can see it. That means that everything's really, really, really not okay, and I have to pull over as soon as I can. Remember, nothing except the car goes fast. We don't stop fast. So I will pull over as soon as I can. If something goes wrong, listen to the track staff. Stay put. They will come and deal with you as a priority.